This year, Iffi 2015 will have 15 films from across the globe, including Argentina, Belgium, Bolivia, Colombia, France, Germany, Iceland, to name a few, in the international competition section. So there will be a competition section where you will have 15 important films competing. The international jury is headed by Mr. Shekhar Kapoor, and it has Mr. Michael Radford from UK, Ms. Julia Jenstes from Germany, Mr. Soha Araf from an Israeli-based Palestinian filmmaker, Mr. Jeon Kyo Hwan from South Korea. The Indian Panorama jury for feature and non-feature films will have acclaimed filmmakers and stalwarts of the cinema in it. The feature jury would be headed by Mr. Ariban Sayam Sharma. It will be a 13-member jury. The non-feature jury will be 7 persons headed by Mr. Rajendra Jangle. In the feature jury, there have been 26 films which have been shortlisted. In the non-feature category, 21 films have been listed for screening. The focus country this year is going to be the Kingdom of Spain. And this will also be an opportunity to screen some of the best Spanish films from master filmmakers like Carlos Saura, Pedro Almodovar, right till contemporary filmmakers like Elisandro Amenabar.